Hi, my name is 𝐁𝐎𝐏𝐾, welcome to my YouTube channel. On this channel we're gonna make a lot of cocktails. Luckily, I just received a package from my friend at Rooster Rojo Tequila. It's unboxing time. Thank you, Ansis. First off, love the packaging. Before we try all of this, let me tell you something about Rooster Rojo Tequila. All tequilas are 100% agave, from the plantations in 𝐿𝐄𝐻 area in Jalisco. Water used in the distillation process comes from the volcano called Tequila. This water is filtered through Mexican silver. That gives this tequila a smooth finish. Enough talking, let's try it. And for that, we're gonna need more of this. And now, let's hear the cork. And this is a really strong cork. First of all, it's really good. Citrusy and salty. It's a really good tequila. Rooster Rojo reposado. Now we're gonna try it. Also, don't forget to seal it. It's a bit sweeter, more or less toffee flavors, caramel with a hint of the wood of the French oaks. This one, I'm gonna use it for the espresso martini, which is going to be in the next video. And the third one, I expect even stronger cork than the previous one. And the third one is RoosterRojo añejo. Ex-American bourbon cask are used for the aging of this tequila. At least 12 months or more. Taste more sweet. And you can taste the charred wood used in the aging. This tequila would be perfect for Manhattan, old-fashioned, those kind of cocktails. These both have a lot of character. I really like all of them. My special one, it will be this one, the reposado. And I'm looking forward to making a cocktail with this one. And now for the Sangrita. This is not a Spanish wine with fruit. This is a Mexican drink made with blend of tomatoes, oranges, lemon, pomegranate, chilies and peppers. It's not alcoholic and it's often served in a special way called the Bandera shots, and that looks like a Mexican flag. Here we have lime, tequila blanco, and Sangrita completes the Mexican flag, which is green, white and red. I think I have to mix it a little bit. In honor of Rooster Rojo and Mexico, let's try the Bandera shots. Lime juice, Rooster Rojo tequila blanco, and for the last and not least, Rooster Rojo Sangrita. Salud. Thank you for watching. I hope you like it and see you next time. I'm just starting my YouTube channel, so I'd love your support. You know what to do.